Here we are again at WAVE Asian Bistro with Chef Lexi. How are you today?
Good, good.
You got again a right hand and a left hand for assistance because it looks like you're going to need it today.
Yeah, we've got something big in store.
Tell us what we're making.
All right, so we are going to make a sushi volcano.
I've seen that all the time. Volcano, what's the big deal about that?
No, it's not just your normal volcano. So this isn't going to be just a volcano roll. We're actually going to construct an entire volcano.
Oh, wow.
Yes, and we're going to mix a little science, little edible art, throw it together, and hopefully we'll be the best scientist chefs you've ever met.
All right, sounds great. And you've never made this before, have you?
Never made this before.
Wow, first on the channel, first for them too. You guys saw the sushi hot dog that you made for you guys. Amazing, right?
So good.
Yeah, it was amazing.
So
all right, so let's do that. So what are the first steps that you're going to do?
So the first step, we've broken down some of this dry ice, and now we are going to get some pieces and push through this bottle. No, we're not.
You seen that Mentos where they put the Mentos and the Diet Coke? This looks like something similar to that, right? Is this something you think you're going to be serving in the dining room?
Maybe. Jonathan might get a little upset with the mess I make, but...
Yeah. For the VIPs.
Yes, absolutely. If they call and request it, I will always do my best to make it.
Right. And dry ice is always a lot of fun. So how much dry ice do you think you want to put in here?
So we're going to go roughly about a third of the way up.
A third of the way, wow.
Yes, so
That's
I
a lot of
did
dry ice in here.
slightly a little bit of testing, but it was inside a ramekin that was this big, so the portions are definitely different. But we are going to do our best. I have a feeling we're definitely going to explode. I just hope I don't get it on the ceiling.
All right, take a look at this first.
Right?
This is. And you've been here about 3 months already, right? After your remodel.
Yeah. We got to break in
space.
the room somehow.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start by grabbing some of our rice, and we're just gonna build around this.
Okay. So you guys see, it's about a third full of dry ice.
Yeah.
Look at that small neck of the bottle here. That's what's gonna give it that eruption, I guess, right?
Yes, that's exactly what this is gonna do.
So you got an A in science in school?
I did actually.
Did you really?
I really did.
Okay.
But I never built a volcano, so
Right.
we'll see.
That's create.
Hiro-san, you never came up with something like this. We gotta be more creative, right? Oh yes. Chef, you need to teach Hiro-san your creativity. Is that possible?
I would love to, but he definitely is the reasoning behind a lot of my creativity.
Oh, really?
Absolutely.
Oh, that's really nice.
All right.
Did you ever watch the Brady Bunch?
I do, actually.
Didn't they have one episode with the volcano thing?
Yes.
This comes to mind right now from my childhood.
I think they made it out of baked beans or something.
Yeah.
It's weird. All right, so now this is going to be the very top of it. This is our Baka Frost salmon. We mix it up with a little spice. So this is going to represent our molting lava from the top. Now we're going to go in with our wild bluefin and finish up the lava.
You can stop there and I'll start eating it.
We haven't even gotten to the fun part.
Imagine what this actually costs to make. Looking at all those fish that you're using, you know?
Yes, it definitely is not the cheapest volcano.
No. When you think we're done, look at this.
Yes.
Beautiful eel. right, here we go. Chef, the moment of truth.
The moment of truth.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
All right. Oh! It is erupting. Wow.
Right.
Take a look at this. Oh, you definitely caught it in slow-mo. You got a little messy,
Got a little messy, but no big
but a
deal.
success.
Yes, absolutely.
This is a delicious spicy salmon, spicy tuna, eel, volcano you guys have never seen in your life. Congratulations, Chef.
Thank you.
You did very, very well.
Absolutely.
And what a creation, huh?
Yeah, this is never seen before.
Never seen until now. Can't wait to share this with everyone too. All right, so how do we dig in? That's next, huh?
We just go for it, just like the sushi dog.
Okay. Still smoking at the top. Pretty cool. What a great team, Chef Lexi. Really pleasure being here. Again, the owner, Jonathan, thank you so much. You guys got to visit this place. Check it out. It's amazing, and you guys move so much amazing product, delicious product. And Hiro-san, what a treat to be here, huh? Hiro actually has something, a small gift for you. And because you are one of our super fans. We call super fans because you've been watching pretty much, right? And you're
Tried
doing
to
so
hold
much.
it back a little bit today, but yeah.
So, this is a small gift for you. This is I use it in my YouTube. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
You got a clean apron now.
Holy cow.
And it fits it right.
It does, it does.
Yeah, when we travel, this apron, style apron, we're using for so many videos.
Oh my goodness.
That's pretty awesome.
That's good.
Thank you so much. I very much appreciate it. This is crazy.
Here, you want to sign up for her?
Sure. Too cool.
That is
Alright.
amazing. Thank you.
Thank you again so much.
I appreciate this
Pleasure being here.
beyond belief. Thank you for everything. Absolutely. It was an honor to meet both of you. It was, yes, it's crazy.
Until next time. So think of the next episode, something really creative, and we'll be back again, okay?
Yeah. What do you want to see
Absolutely.
us make next?
Right?
Exactly.
Just let us know.
Stay tuned, follow them, information down below. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank
We
you.
appreciate it.
What great dishes that Chef Lexi has, huh?
Yeah.
Amazing food.
Yeah.
Especially that volcano, huh? That volcano was crazy, huh?
It's very creative.
Very creative. We got to bring that back to Miami some way, somehow.
Yeah.
So start thinking, all right, Hiro?
Yeah. I
Start
was
thinking how to
thinking
do that.
Lexi too. So next time we should do some kind of collaboration
Yeah.
to create something together, or kind of she wanna make one, I wanna make one. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's what we can do next time.
Sounds good.